In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on BitLocker on Windows 11. BitLocker is Microsoft's built-in drive encryption that helps protect your files if your device is lost, stolen, or accessed without permission. It's designed to work seamlessly with Windows 11, especially on devices that include a security chip called a TPM, so you get strong protection with minimal effort. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with an administrator account and, if possible, keep your PC plugged in. BitLocker is available on Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. If you're using the Home edition, you may not see BitLocker in the results, and that's expected. Let's get started. Click into the Windows search bar on your taskbar and type BitLocker. From the results, open BitLocker Drive Encryption. This takes you to the classic control panel page, where Windows lists your drives and shows whether protection is on or off. On this page, locate your system drive and choose Turn on BitLocker. That button begins the encryption setup for the drive. Windows runs on. Don't worry, turning it on here doesn't immediately lock you out. It simply tells Windows to prepare protection for your data using the best settings available on your device. Windows may show a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes. When that appears, click Yes. That confirmation is required so Windows can enable the security features behind the scenes. Once you've confirmed, Windows starts enabling BitLocker. The process runs in the background, and you can continue using your PC. Depending on the size and speed of your drive, initial encryption can take some time. It's normal to see your device working a bit while that completes. Try not to shut down unexpectedly, and for laptops, keep the charger connected until it finishes. Performance impact is usually minimal, and once the initial encryption is done, protection remains active without you having to do anything special. If BitLocker doesn't appear in search, your organization might manage these settings, or your edition of Windows may not include it. After BitLocker is on, your files are protected automatically each time you start Windows, with no extra steps needed from you. And that's it. Search for BitLocker, open BitLocker Drive Encryption, click Turn on BitLocker, and click Yes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added peace of mind that comes with full disk encryption.